So here is the Elevenlabs tutorial for beginners. Elevenlabs lets you generate natural-sounding AI voices, and is great for creators who want realistic voiceovers without robotic audio. If you want to follow along with this tutorial step by step, click on my link below to try Elevenlabs for free and get started right away. After clicking on my link below, you will be brought to this page, which is the official website. On the top here, let's go over to pricing and check out their pricing plans. This is where you'll be able to view all the plans that they offer, starting with free, starter, creator, and pro. If you scroll down, you will get to see more options to choose from. You can change the currency option and choose between monthly and yearly billing from here. So go through the options and choose the one that you want. Now, let's head back and click on Sign Up or Log In on the top right. I'll click on Sign Up to create a new account. Over here, you can sign up with Google or put in your email and password. I'll just go with Google. So once you're done signing up, you'll be taken to this page right here. You need to choose between Creative Platform and Agents Platform. I'll go with Creative Platform and click on Continue. Now, just put in your name and set your preferred language. You can skip the name if you want, then check this box and click on Next. So on this page, select how you've heard about Elevenlabs from the options available. After that, you'll be taken to the next page. Here, choose which one describes you the best. I will select Personal Use. You can choose any from the options. And here, select what you would like to do with Elevenlabs. You can select one or click on Skip. After that, you'll be prompted to select a plan. You can go ahead and click on Skip on the bottom to go with the free one. And after you're done with the onboarding process, you will be taken to the main Elevenlabs dashboard. And this is what it will look like. Here, you will get to see all of these options. And if you go over to the left panel, you will see the Voices option. This is where you can explore all the voices available on Elevenlabs. And if you go over to My Voices, this is where you'll find all the voices that you've created. It's empty because we haven't created any. And then we have Default Voices. This is where all the default Elevenlabs voices are available. You can also click on Create a Voice on the top right. Then we have Text-to-Speech under Playground. This is where the magic happens. You can type in anything that you want right here in the text box to turn it into a voiceover. You can also select these options on the bottom to try them out. So as you can see, it's generating a silly joke because we've selected the option from the bottom. You can play and pause the audio on the bottom. And on the right here, you can select any voice if you go over to the Explore option. You can also select Default if you want to select a voice from the default options. Just go through the voices and select whichever one that you want. And here we have the Speed, Stability, Similarity, and Style Exaggeration options in order to customize the voiceover according to our preference. Then we have the Language Override and Speaker Boost option. So once you put in your text, just click on Generate here and your voiceover will be generated based on the text. And once it's done generating, just go to the bottom and click on the Play option to play the audio. Now, let's head over to the left panel and check out the Voice Changer option. This is where you can upload any audio or record your audio directly on the platform. For this one, let's upload our own audio. I'll just go ahead and select an audio file from my device. You can record from right here if you want. So once the audio is uploaded, you need to go over to the right panel and select a voice. Here, you can choose from the default options or go over to Explore and choose whichever one that you want. And here, you can select between any of these models. Once done, use this slider to set the stability for your audio. Then go over to Similarity and Style Exaggeration as well. You can also enable the Remove Background Noise option. Once done, click on Generate Speech. The same audio will now be generated using the selected voice. Sometimes it may take a while depending on the length of the original audio. If it's shorter, it will take less time. So give it some time to get done. And once it's done, it will start playing automatically, and you'll be able to view it on the bottom. It keeps playing even if it's not done yet. You can also regenerate the speech if you're not satisfied with the result. If you are, you can click on the download option in order to download it onto your device. Now, if you go over to sound effects from the left panel, you will get to see all of these options that you can use to generate sound effects. You can go over to history to check out your previous sound effects generations. And then we have favorites. After that, there's voice isolator on the left panel. This is where you can upload any audio with a voice and it will isolate the voice from the other elements of the audio. Just upload any file that you want and then click on this button. You'll be able to view the amount of credits it will take in order to work on this audio file. So after that, give it some time to process. Again, the processing time depends on the length of the audio, so it may take a while. And once it's done, you'll be able to listen to the processed audio. You can pause and play it from the bottom right here. You can click on the download option on the right to download this audio onto your device. Now, let's go over to the left panel and check out the image and video option. This is a new feature on Elevenlabs from where you can generate images and videos. So let's scroll through the page and check out some of the contents generated using this option. Here in the prompt box, you can add reference images or choose between image and video. You can set a start frame and end frame. Then just put in your prompt right over here. After that, you can set the model that you want to use for generating your image or video. And as you can see, there are a lot of options to choose from. Then set your aspect ratio and then your resolution. You can then select the duration for your video and choose if you want to generate audio or not. After that, we have a negative prompt option. Here, you can type in what you do not want in your video. After that, you can set the amount of generations you want. You can choose between 1 to 4. And if we go over to the image option, we will get to see something similar. Just put in your reference image and then type in your prompt in the prompt box. After that, select the model you want to use for generating the image. You can select from the different type options from the top and the generation models will be filtered accordingly. Then set the aspect ratio for your image. After that, you need to set the amount of generations you want. Once done, just click on the Go button. Next up, we have the Templates option on the left panel. This is where you'll be able to view a lot of templates that you can choose from. These are mainly for images, and you will get to see a lot of templates that you can choose from. You can also hover over the line in the middle in order to check out the before and after of each template. So you can go through this page and check them out if you want. Then we have the History option. This is where all your template generations will appear. And here in the Explore section, you can also use the search bar to search for any templates. Then we have Studio. This is where you can choose from any of these options or click on the new blank project on the top right. Then we have Music. You can even use Elevenlabs to generate music. Just put in your prompt in the prompt box right here, set the number of variants, and then the duration for your generation. You can also set it to custom. And for lyrics, you can select auto, custom, or instrumental. Then just click on Generate. Then we have Dubbing. Here, you can click on Create a Dub and put in any video to dub it into a different language. We also have Speech to Text, Audio Native, and Productions. Productions is a managed, done-for-you service that combines the company's AI audio technology with human expertise to deliver high-quality human-edited content. And that's it. That is the Elevenlabs tutorial for beginners.